Hey, what's up guys? So I'm making a review today for the cold air intake that I bought off of Amazon. It's for my 2014 Mustang V6. Now, the reason I wanted to make this review is because I did notice some improvements. I can't say they were like significant when it came down to like horsepower. I almost want to say it's non-existent, but at the same time, I think I paid like somewhere around 150 bucks. I'll add the description on how much I got it for when I confirm. But basically, it just sounds fucking amazing. So I think it's worth it. Let me put it right next to RPMs and see if you guys can hear anything. Alright, hopefully you guys are able to hear something. I get that iPhone microphones aren't necessarily the best, so I apologize for making this review on this. But I have to admit that I feel like it completely woke up the engine, and the best thing above all is that before there was like a slight hesitation between gears, and there was a slight hesitation when you would give it gas, and now you kind of hear that little like suction sound. So you definitely don't experience that hesitation, and instead you have like kind of faster torque. So even though I didn't get any gains horsepower wise, I do feel like I got more instant torque, which is amazing. Right when you're like trying to pass up a car, you're like, oh, torque right then and there, and then I don't know where you're gear shifting, you're like, oh, more torque. So it's like not horsepower, but it is torque, and it's like instant. So I don't know, it's pretty fucking awesome, and then it sounds awesome. So people will be like, oh yeah, I didn't get a lot of gains. Well, it still sounds fucking awesome. So fuck it. All right, peace.